Hey people, so I really have to say this, that this is such a happy realization that most often it's not as if uh, an expensive product will necessarily be a good product, because it's like, I discovered this kajal, it's called Glimmer, and for 100 bucks you get such a nice kajal. Yeah, this is like, oh my god. See, today I have a lot of ambient noise in the background, but still I should make this video. But see, this kajal is called Glimmer, and it is like magic, yeah, because it's only after you go through some bad kajals that when you discover something nice that you truly appreciate it. So I can't recommend this enough, people. It's called Glimmer, and it's just for 100 bucks, and I got it at Reliance Fresh. It was a thing, and I was waiting to buy it. Like, I saw it last week, and then I thought this week I have to go and buy it. So it's intense black, smudge proof, ophthalmologically tested. I've heard of dermatologically tested, but this is ophthalmologically tested. So this is a good thing to try out. So it's called Glimmer, and I checked it on Amazon. It should be available. But yeah, but amazing kajal this is. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.